So I have a document that I printed off the internet. It's 4W1. These are other names that it goes by. And you can get this off the internet. Just look up whatever steel that you're working with, and you can get charts and tables and everything you need to properly heat treat the blade. So it gives you descriptions and other physical properties and other things, different tables. But an important table is the TTT diagram. This is the time temperature transformation, and what this will show you is what you need to do to harden it or anneal it and other things. So on the bottom you have time in seconds, which is a logarithmic scale. So from here to here that's 1 second, and here to here that's 10, here to here that's 100 seconds. So it grows by 10 to the x each one. So 10 squared, 10 cubed in seconds. And in these different parts, you can see P and K. That's perlite and cementite, and different structures in the steel, different crystal structures. And down here you have an M, which is martensite, and you can see K is equal to carbide. So we want to get the temperature from about 18, or this is in C, but we want 1450 to 1475 degrees Fahrenheit, which are about 800 up here. And we want it to get down below the nose of a curve in less than half a second. So you have to take it out and cool it below this nose of the curve so it doesn't turn to perlite, so you can get all martensite. And if you look up more information on that, I'd look up Metallurgy Fundamentals. It's a textbook, but you'll learn a lot of information about steels and other things. So don't just believe, lore and stuff. Go get a textbook and actually learn the stuff. So I started off by filling my trough with Parks 50 fast quench oil. I use a thermocouple to figure out the correct temperature. I take the blade out of the forge and directly into the trough. So already most of the hardening is already done. The Parks 50 quench oil gets around the nose of the curve pretty quickly, and then it slows down so that it doesn't stress the steel as much as water or other oils. I then scrape off all the clay so that I can temper the blade. I use alcohol to get any oil or residue off the blade before I put it in the oven. I temper at 400 degrees for 1 hour. That's it for this episode. More next time. Please subscribe and check out my website Wool Metalworks for knives and to support this project.